Hi guys! Today we're going to fix the alarm sound on iPhone. First, unlock your iPhone and go straight to the clock app. Once you open it, you'll see different sections at the bottom of the screen. This is where all your alarms and timers are managed, so we're starting from the right place. Just make sure you're inside the app before moving forward. Now, look at the bottom left side and tap on the alarm section. This will show you all your existing alarms. From here, go to the top right corner and tap on the plus icon to create a new alarm. Creating a fresh alarm helps us properly check and fix the sound settings. After tapping the plus icon, set your preferred alarm time first. Adjust the hour and minutes carefully so everything is correct. It's important to set the time before checking the sound, because this is part of the alarm setup process. Once the time looks good, scroll down to see more options. Now scroll down and tap on the sound option. This is the most important step because sometimes the alarm sound is set to none or a very low tone. After tapping sound, choose a ringtone from the list that is loud and clear. Make sure you actually hear the preview sound when selecting it. Next, make sure your volume is turned up. Press the volume up button on the side of your iPhone and increase it properly. Sometimes the alarm sound feels low simply because the volume level is down. So honestly, this small check can solve the issue instantly. If your alarm is still not working properly, then simply restart your iPhone. Press and hold the side button, power it off, and then turn it back on. A quick restart can fix minor glitches, and luckily, most alarm sound issues get resolved after this simple step. So that's how you can easily fix the alarm sound issue on your iPhone. Most of the time, it's just a small setting that needs adjustment. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe and comment below if your alarm is working perfectly now. I'll see you in the next one.